G'day viewers, always just a little bit of a help video here. Still on, I got some photos of this circuit, this TV posted on the vintage radio and television forums. This is my area here of troubleshooting. So in pin 8 of this valve is where the yellow wire should connect. Well, it goes up a wire up there somewhere, and the yellow wire there. There's another yellow wire there going to there. So I'll set the tripod up and do some good careful videoing here. Get a nice and still video. Try and get the best shot of this as I can. But yeah, my suspicions are correct. This thing has had some, let's say, meddling done over the years since it left the factory. It's got to go somewhere around here, this wire, through some other resistors and some capacitors. Okay, while the mercury vapor light that we could actually set me warms up, if I get the LED on it. Damn thing. That'll get brighter. Getting there. Yeah, so we're looking at this area of the circuit here, and these resistors here are in the way. Now these still get hot for some reason. Let's zoom in a little bit. Try and get a good detail there. Try to do the best we can. Yeah, there's the resistors here that get warm for some reason. Check the valve, pull that valve out, and they don't get warm. So I've still got a little troubleshooting to do. Someone in the past has must have messed something up, and that's it. They must have given up. There must have been where it may have failed in the first place, I'm not sure, but why I've actually removed this actual cathode wire altogether is beyond me. The light's nice and bright now. So we've got pin 8, I'll get the little screwdriver. See if that's the actual pin I'm talking about here. Look at the schematic up here and double check that. 8. Goes to ground and 2.7 k resistor. And goes somewhere to... let me get a good close look at that here. That's better. Okay, look at it. Yeah, pin 8's there. 100k resistor there. 100 picofarad there, and it's going to the CRT there. So that may be it actually. Pin 8 may be where it goes to. It looks like it. Where that yellow wire connects to. So it looks like that's the part in question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is this wire here, coming off here. Okay, that goes at pin 8, and that's going here, there. So it has to go through some components and connect to there. If that's the case, it must go there. Yeah, so it's been a tricky one, whoever messed around with this previously. Very tricky repair, but a good learning experience as a first, my actual first really old TV project. So I said that the capacitors I changed. I was couldn't find a can type to replace it and do it properly, other than going to Antique Electronics Supply to find a proper one. Nor would they fit inside the original can to restuff it, so I've had to do it this way. I could did a bit better using a terminal strip or something, but that will do for now. It seems to be okay. It's not, as I said, it's not the neatest way to do it, but it works. Now I'll see what that does. But I'm thinking it's a little bit more to it than that. Suspect wire is plugged in. I'll just turn this TV here on, make sure we've got signal. And it appears to got somewhat of a signal. Not the best signal. Yeah, not the best reception here. But it's breaking up, I can get sound, so if I hear that, we know the TV is definitely still tuned in. As I said, the RF and IF stages are all working. I can tune everything in and get the audio through. and get a signal through. So that's all working. Just got to get this picture sorted out. Another problem is, I think someone's brightened the COT and that. The filament's getting 8 volts and it should be getting 6.3. I suspect it may be a weak COT, unfortunately, but we'll see what happens. Let the EHT come up. There we are. EHT's up. And we've got a raster. But still no picture. Carefully get the camera off the tripod and show you the picture still. That's all I get. The camera, it looks brighter in real life, but still nothing. Interesting. Yeah, the camera's not picking it up. It looks a lot darker on the camera than it does in real life. There you go. That was cool how it turned off. Alright, I'll get the camera back on the tripod. Now very carefully just feel these for heat. Yeah, they're warm. Not hot, but as they were last time before the repair, but strange. Still no picture, so maybe that's not the actual pin that goes to the cathode wire here on the video input of the CRT there, off this valve. I get the other light so we can see better here. The lighting in this place isn't the best. So if that's not it, carefully, very careful. Yeah, it's a strange one because I cannot find any trace of where the hell that the other wire would have went under this chassis. No unsoldering, I can't see any evidence of that around here. It's almost like it was never there. It's a hell of a challenge, that's for sure. It's quite a challenge. Good learning experience for me. Anyway, I hope this can help a little bit. I'll try and get the camera and zoom in a little bit closer on that. Just shows there. Yeah, everything's in the bloody way. I'll see if I can get a steady hand on it. Zoom out, there. There. And behind that little inductor there, and that resistor, is pin 8 that I just connected to. There's still nothing. Anyway, I'll keep investigating this. So yeah, here's a schematic circuit diagram here. This is the area of interest, this part here. So where I connected it to, where it came down here under the little terminal strip. That's my area of interest right here, this part of the circuit so far. That's where I suspect something's gone wrong. Somewhere in this vicinity. Anyway, hopefully I can shed some more light in this situation. Thanks for watching.